Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0705 transmission range sensor A circuit code. What I have here is a transmission range sensor, also known as the neutral safety switch. And the purpose of having a range sensor is to send a signal to the computer to tell which gear is selected. Here is an automatic transmission, and this is going to be a transmission range sensor. So the transmission range sensor is going to be located somewhere on the automatic transmission. And of course, if the transmission range sensor becomes damaged or there's something wrong with it or there's a water issue, again, it is going to trigger P0705 code. What causes the transmission range sensor to fail? And the first common reason is most likely the transmission range sensor, it is going to be faulty. If you look at the location, the transmission range sensor is located directly on the automatic transmission. And if the automatic transmission becomes wet, maybe because you drove through a puddle of water, over time, water can get onto the transmission range sensor. It can cause it to corrode. Water can get inside the connector. It can cause issue to it. And the wire itself can become exposed to the road. Let's just say if something hit that wire, it can cause damage to it. The next possibility, it is going to be an alignment issue. As you can see, the transmission range sensor should go in a certain position. However, if the nuts or the bolts becomes rusted and due to vibration, if the transmission range sensor just move out of place just slightly, it can cause all sorts of issue. Again, you're going to get P0705 code. What symptoms are you going to encounter when you're getting P0705? The most common symptom is the vehicle start in any gear. So if you have an automatic transmission, the vehicle should only start in park and neutral. However, if it starts in reverse or in drive, then there's something wrong with that transmission range sensor and you should have it checked out. The next common problem is the dashboard light gear selector is not matching up with the gear selected. For example, if you shift to drive and the dashboard gear selector says that you're in reverse, and that's how you know there's going to be something wrong with that transmission range sensor. The next common problem is you're going to notice transmission performance issue. If you're driving down the road and the transmission starts to act up and it starts to act erratic or irregular, and that's how you know you're going to have a sensor issue. The next common problem is your backup light is not working. If you shift from park to reverse and the backup light is not turning on, that's how you know you might have a bad transmission range sensor. And lastly, if the transmission range sensor is faulty and it failed completely, it is possible your vehicle might be set into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that's going to limit vehicle speed to 35 miles per hour or second gear. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.